ordinary entry-level welding is over. Defy convention. Go rogue. Setting polarity and cable connections. For MIG welding with all types of solid wires, use reverse polarity. Connect the polarity changeover cable to the electrode positive terminal and the work clamp to the negative terminal. For welding with gasless and gas-shielded flux cord wires, use straight polarity. Connect the polarity changeover cable to the electrode negative terminal and the work clamp to the positive terminal. Secure the work clamp as close as possible to the welding site. Remove rust, paint, and debris if necessary. Note: always confirm the welding polarity of the wire with the manufacturer's recommendation.